Today we're relining a leaking stormwater drain. Basically, none of the water that trickles down the line from all the ag lines, etc., actually makes it to the gutter on the street because there's so many dislodges and breaks in the pipe. So we're relining from an overflow pit in the driveway. Started in PVC. You can see there's the first joint, and basically every joint that we go past, by the end of the line you can't even see water running down the pipe. So that joint would be leaking. This is the next separation that's leaking. There's a junction that needs a junction liner. There's another separation which is also leaking. There's the separation. Yeah. You can see there's less and less water the further down we go. There's another separation that leaks. That one's not so bad. We're going to be using a Magmaflex Liner, which is a Fibreglass Liner, and UV Cured Resin. There's another joint that leaks. Today it's actually very temperamental weather, but because the UV resin sets so fast, we'll be able to finish this job in time before the rain comes this afternoon. There's another badly dislodged joint leaking. You can see now really there's almost no water running down the pipeline. It's a very thin trickle, and there's another bad dislodgement. Another step dislodgement. And then the icing on the cake is this bad break here. So any little bit that's left over, nothing actually gets past that. And we're relining down and landing in some PVC pipe, which is an ideal situation. Alright, we're now recording the after shot after UV lining. Start with, we've got back-to-back 45-degree bends. Here we've used a structural fiberglass liner. Just there is a junction that's going to get cut out with a robotic cutter, and then they have a junction patch installed. Continuing down, as you saw in the before video, all of these dislodgements were leaking, and there was quite large separations in most of the joints. It's now all completely sealed up and will not be able to leak anymore. Coming up is where the large break in the pipe was, right there. You can see it's actually pushed the earthenware out to open it back up to past 100 mil in some sections. Continuing down, that's the PVC inspection opening we relined past. And dropping down, and that's the end of the line. It's where we've got to reconnect PVC and plumb it back up. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.